What's going on, everybody? We have 2021 Bowman tonight. 10 mega boxes. Should be a good one. Appreciate everybody joining up tonight. Wish you guys all the best. We will get started here very shortly. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get her started. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Box number 1. Chromes, Nolan Jones, and Hyun-Il Choi. Dodgers, first Bowman. No. Chris Bubik, paper rookie. Tyler Stevenson, Anderson Tejeda, Joey Bart, and we have Chrome Gunnar Henderson, and James Beard. Mojo pack number 1. We got Trent DeVoe starting us off. Austin Martin, nice. There you go, Blue Jays. Rookie of the Year favorites, Ryan Mountcastle. Wow, Maximo Acosta. What a pack. And Zach Veen. That was a good first Mojo pack. All right, here we go. Cronenworth rookie. Campusano. Chromes, Jeter Downs. And Jose Salas. Kevin Alcantara, first Bowman. Chromes, Jeremy Pena, and Jeremy De La Rosa. First Bowman Chrome, Washington. And here we go. 5 more Mojos. We got Julio Rodriguez starting us off. Nick Gonzalez. Futurist Reed Ditmers. Evon Johnson. His first, Cincinnati. And Junior Severino. Box number 2. Here we go. Chromes, Andrew Vaughn and Keone Cavaco. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Kirillov. Jose Garcia. Andres Jimenez. The Mets, Dylan Carlson. And we do have Chrome, Nicky York. And Adinso Reyes. His first, Detroit. Alexander Ramirez, first Bowman. Here we go, Mojos. Xavier Edwards, Royce Lewis. Rookie of the Year favorites, Tristan McKenzie. Jose Tena, his first. And Jake Vogel. Chromes, Oswaldo Peraza and Matt Liberatore. First Bowman, Aaron Sabato, Jose Salas. Skubal rookie. Clark Schmidt. Tristan McKenzie. Ian Anderson. Madrigal. Getting a lot of rookies here. We have Chrome. Daniel Espino. And Pete Crow Armstrong. Mojos. Jose Salas. Asa Lacy, Futurist Francisco Alvarez. He's sick, I like him. Austin Hendrick. And CJ Abrams. Box number 3. We're due. Let's do both Mojos at the end on this one. Cronenworth, rookie. Campusano. Chromes, Royce Lewis. And Bayron Lora. Jake Vogel, first Bowman. Chromes, Edward Cabrera, and Logan Gilbert. All right, this pack feels huge. So I think they gave us extra cards in this pack, it looks like. Yeah, look at that. We got a Chrome. Our second card in the pack. Bryce Jarvis. Man, there's a lot of cards in this pack. Bobby Dahlbeck, rookie. Christian Pache. Kybert Ruiz. Luis Patino. Trout base. And we have Chromes, Mario Feliciano. And Leover Paguero. Maybe we'll get shorted on this one, maybe. Never know. Tanner Houck, rookie. Sam Huff. Chrome, Corbin Carroll. And Jackson Kowar. Here we are. We got our two Mojo packs. Hyun-Il Choi starting us off. Kevin Alcantara, that's a nice one. Futurist, Asa Lacy. Tyler Soderstrom. And Ed Howard. Jared Kelly. Eddie Diaz. Rookie of the Year favorites, Casey Mize. Hessen Kerstad. And Wander Franco. Box number 4. Let's do it this way. Start with a Mojo. Nick Gonzalez. Trent DeVoe. Futurist, Bobby Witt Jr. Zach Veen. And Jason Dominguez. There you go, Yankees. It's nice. Jason. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Kirillov. Chromes, Jaron Duran. And C.J. Abrams. Jose Garcia, rookie. Andres Jimenez. Dylan Carlson. Chromes. Clayton Beater. And Bryson Stott. Ooh, nice. Austin Martin. First Bowman, paper. Another Mojo. Marco Luciano. Geraldo Perdomo. I like him. And we do have a pink. To the Reds. Hunter Green. 146 of 199. Nice. Blaze Jordan. And Francisco Alvarez. There we go. That was a good pack. Storming pretty good here. Hopefully nothing happens. Knocking on wood. Here we go. Francisco Lindor here. Evan White, rookie. Leody Taveras. Chromes, Nick Bitsko. And Luis Garcia, Philadelphia. First Bowman, Yolbert Sanchez. Jazz Chisholm, rookie. Casey Mize. Davy Garcia. Cronenworth. Campusano. And the Chromes, Jared Kelly. And Nick Allen. Box number 5. Chromes, Daniel Espino, and Junior Severino. Jose Tena, first Bowman. Tanner Houck, rookie. Kybert Ruiz. Oh, no, that was Sam Huff. I wonder what went through my brain there. Dalton Varsho. Brady Singer, and we are to the Chromes. Garrett Mitchell. And Casey Martin. Here we go, Mojos. Robert Hassel. Starting us off, he's awesome. Spencer Torkelson. Yvonne Johnson. J.J. Bleday. And Drew Waters. Alec Boehm, rookie. Chromes, Austin Hendrick. And Gilbert Sanchez. Aaron Sabato, first Bowman. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Kirilloff. Chromes, Braden Shoemake. And Keone Cavaco. Jose Salas, first Bowman. And 5 more Mojos. Junior Severino. Maximo Costa, nice. Rookie of the Year favorites, Dylan Carlson. Bryson Stott. And Julio Rodriguez. There you go, Rangers, another Maximo. It's nice. Box number 6. Tanner Houck, rookie. Sam Huff. Varsho. Singer. Chromes. J.J. Bleday. And Logan Gilbert. Alec Bohm, rookie. Chromes, Brett Batty, and Leover Paguero. Mojos, Edinso Reyes. Max Meyer. Futurist Austin Hendrick. Corbin Carroll. And Keone Cavaco. Jesus Sanchez, rookie. Kirilloff. Chromes, Jackson Rutledge. And Jackson Kowar. Chromes, Oswald Peraza, and Trent DeVoe. Five Mojos, Trent DeVoe. Austin Martin, nice. Rookie of the Year favorites, Joe Adele. That's sick. Matt Manning. And Jordan Westberg. Man, I'm surprised. No autos yet. Here we go, box number 7. Chromes, Jaron Duran, and Antonio Gomez. Joe Adele, rookie. Okay, Brian Hayes. Spencer Howard. Chromes, Jordan Balasevic. And Bryson Stott. Chris Bubik, rookie. And we have Chrome, Matt Thompson. And Elahiris Montero. Tyler Stevenson, rookie. Anderson Tejeda. Joey Bart. Nate Pearson. Chromes, D.L. Hall. And Taryn Vevra. Acosta, first Bowman. And here we go. 5 mojos. Jeter Downs. Jonathan India. ROY favorites Jazz Chisholm. Matt Liberator. And Robert Pawson. JJ Bleday. Ooh, here we go. Looks like we have an orange futurist, if I had to guess. Austin Hendrick, orange futurist. Nice. Numbered 6 of 25. That's sick. Emerson Hancock, futurist. Yolbert Sanchez. And Gabriel Arias. That's a good one. I like the orange. Hard to get oranges. Box number 8. Luis Garcia, rookie. Sixto Sanchez. Chromes, Andrew Vaughn. And Eddie Diaz. His first, Colorado. Chromes, Nick York, and Hyun Il Choi. Mojos. Aaron Sabato starting us off. Logan Gilbert. Reed Detmers. Bayron Lora. And Simeon Woods Richardson. Joe Adell, rookie. K. Brian Hayes. Spencer Howard. Chromes, Oswald Peraza. And James Beard. Chromes, Christian Robinson, and Gilbert Sanchez. Here we go, another mojo. Riley Green, Jackson Rutledge, Rookie of the Year favorites Jazz, Matt Thompson, and Nick York. Box number 9. Chromes, Emerson Hancock, Xavier Edwards, Nick Matan, first Bowman, Evan White, rookie, Leody Taveras, Chrome, Christopher Morel, his first, Cubs, and C.J. Abrams. Jazz Chisholm, rookie, Casey Mize, Davey Garcia, Jake Cronenworth, Campusano, and we have Chromes, Grayson Rodriguez, and Bryson Stott. Alex Ramirez, first Bowman. Chromes, Tyler Callahan, and Elahiris Montero. Here we go. Mojos. 2 packs. Nick Lodolo, Christian Robinson, Grayson Rodriguez, Jason Rosario, and Nolan Jones. Forrest Whitley, Hunter Green, Rookie of the Year favorites Bobby Dahlbeck, Jonathan India, and J.J. Bleday. All right, here we go. Box number 10. Last box, Magic. Let's go ahead and start with one, and we'll end with one. Here we go, Mojos. Garrett Mitchell. Marco Luciano. Geraldo Perdomo. Forrest Whitley. And Hunter Green. Jose Garcia, rookie. Andres Jimenez. Dylan Carlson. Chromes. Trevor Larnach. And Kevin Alcantara. Nice. There's another Alcantara paper behind the chrome. Tariq Skubal, rookie. Clark Schmidt. Chrome's Nick Lodolo. And Yusniel Diaz. Tristan McKenzie. Ian Anderson. Nick Madrigal. Garrett Crochet. Or Crochet. Chromes, Jeter Downs. And Carson Tucker. Austin Martin, first Bowman paper. Luis Garcia, rookie. Sixto Sanchez. Chrome's Jeremy Pena. And Cade Cavalli. Jeremy De La Rosa, first Bowman. Here we go. Our last 5 Mojos. Eddie Diaz. Antonio Gomez. That's a good one. Rookie of the Year favorites, Nate Pearson. Ronnie Mauricio. And Miguel Amaya. Awesome, guys. Appreciate everyone's time tonight. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. I know we didn't get as much good stuff as we got last night, but it doesn't always work out that way. I'll try to get some more. We got some more Bowman in next week, so check us out for that. Tomorrow night, we're back to football, so everyone have a good night tonight, and we'll see you guys next time.